The albatross is a remarkable seabird, renowned for its impressive wingspan and ability to soar effortlessly over vast distances. These majestic creatures are a true spectacle of the natural world, captivating observers with their grace and resilience. They are found in the open ocean and play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. Albatrosses are often referred to as the kings of the high seas due to their mastery of flight and their ability to navigate the world's oceans with exceptional skill. They are highly adapted to life at sea, spending most of their lives soaring above the waves and only returning to land to breed. Their presence is a testament to the incredible diversity and wonder of the avian world. These birds hold a significant place in maritime history and folklore, often viewed as symbols of good luck or as omens of change. Their distinctive calls and soaring flight have inspired countless artists, writers, and musicians throughout history, cementing their place in human culture. The albatross family, known scientifically as Diomedeidae, is comprised of around 22 different species. These species are divided into four main groups: great albatrosses, Mollymawks, North Pacific Albatrosses, and Sooty Albatrosses. Each group has unique characteristics and distribution patterns. Great albatrosses are the largest, including the wandering albatross with the largest wingspan. Mollymawks are smaller, with distinctive black eye markings. North Pacific albatrosses are found in the North Pacific Ocean. Sooty albatrosses have dark plumage and are found in the Southern Hemisphere. Each species contributes to the biodiversity and ecological importance of this remarkable family. Albatrosses are renowned for their impressive size, with wingspans that can reach up to 12 feet or 3.7 meters in some species. This incredible wingspan allows them to soar effortlessly for hours on end, covering vast distances with minimal effort. Their wings are specially adapted for gliding, with a high aspect ratio that enables them to exploit even the slightest breeze. These birds are masters of a flight technique known as dynamic soaring, which allows them to extract energy from the wind gradient over the ocean's surface. By repeatedly gaining altitude by soaring into the wind, and then turning and gliding downwind, they can maintain their flight for extended periods without needing to flap their wings. This remarkable adaptation allows them to conserve energy and travel vast distances in search of food. Albatrosses can reach impressive speeds, often exceeding 50 miles per hour or 80 kilometers per hour when gliding downwind. Their exceptional flight capabilities allow them to cover vast distances, with some individuals circumnavigating the globe multiple times in a single year. Albatrosses are perfectly adapted for life, both at sea and on land, despite their awkward appearance on the ground. Their webbed feet make them powerful swimmers, allowing them to dive beneath the surface to catch prey. They have a special salt gland above their eyes that filters out excess salt from their bloodstream, enabling them to drink seawater without becoming dehydrated. On land, albatrosses gather in large colonies during the breeding season, often on remote islands far from human habitation. These colonies can number in the tens of thousands, creating a cacophony of calls and displays as the birds court, mate, and raise their young. Albatrosses are monogamous birds, forming strong pair bonds that can last for many years. They typically lay a single egg, which both parents take turns incubating. Once the chick hatches, both parents share the responsibility of feeding and caring for their offspring. Albatross chicks grow slowly and remain dependent on their parents for several months, learning essential life skills such as flying and foraging. The long lifespan of albatrosses, with some individuals living for over 60 years, is a testament to their remarkable adaptations and resilience.